Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change to military time on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, this is a quick tutorial. How do you change your Android phone time to 24-hour, aka military time? So the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app on your phone, and then scroll all the way near the bottom and look for general management, and then click into general management, and then from here click into date and time. Should be halfway down your page, and then right at the bottom it says use 24-hour time format, so that's what you need to do now. So I'll click that. So now it is set to military time, aka 24-hour time. Alright, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful.